Hey, if you want to check battery level of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, so we've got like 3 different ways. The first one and probably the fastest way is just to open the Bluetooth settings when you are connected with your buds. And then when you go into the Bluetooth settings, you can find the information about the battery level. So as you can see in my case, I've got the 100% of the battery. The second way to do this, simply open the Galaxy wearable application on your device, and here we can also find the battery level of the left and the right earbud. And this last method, we have to grab both earbuds and then click and hold right here, and when this lights up like this, it means that the battery level it's at least for above 30%. And we can find this information by going into the earbud controls, and here we've got the earbud lights controls. So the lights will show when the battery for each earbud is at least 30%. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.